Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a cold pasta salad for lunch and I need Italian dressing for that. So I'll show you how I make my creamy Italian dressing. I'm going to try to make this a really quick video. I'm just going to show you me putting it all together. To make everything in a jar, put the cover on it, shake it up, and you can scale up this recipe. I usually only make as much as I need because it's only going to last about a week in the fridge. Any longer than that and it starts to get a little bit funky. So I'm going to make a single batch. I'm probably going to end up making a double batch for my pasta salad, but I'll make a single batch, that way you can see what the measurements are and just scale it up for however you want. Okay, we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and this is our homemade mayonnaise. I'll put a link to the video in the description if you want to see how we make our mayonnaise. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of a white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Riel lemon juice, and you can squeeze a lemon if you want. I use Riel lemon juice because it's 100% real lemon. 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And I believe Marilyn made a video on how we make our Italian seasoning. If so, I'll put a link for that in the description as well. And then there's an optional ingredient that I highly recommend. It's 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. If you have fresh Parmesan cheese, even better. But 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Next, we're just going to cap this and give it a good shake. And there's our dressing. Pretty simple, straightforward. It's not a copycat recipe, but it's very similar in flavor to a famous olive restaurant. It's not exactly right, but it's very, very close to that dressing. So if you like the flavor of that dressing, you'd probably really love this. Now I'm gonna make a second batch of this just because I want a double batch. And I'm going to show you how I make my pasta salad. Okay, for my pasta salad, it's super simple. I boiled 1 box of tricolor rotini, and then I rinsed it with cold water because this is going to be a cold salad. As a matter of fact, after I'm done making it, I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it sit until we're ready to eat. And there's going to be quite a bit of leftovers. But anyway, to the pasta, I'm going to add black olives. You can add anything you want to this, really. I already cut up some tomatoes, some cheese, and some of my vegetarian sausage. And again, whatever you want to put in this, there's really no rules to this. I'll get this mixed in, and then we'll add our dressing. And this is really what makes the recipe. And I'm just gonna pour this right over the top. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix this in. Once this is all mixed up, I'm just gonna put a lid on it, put it in the refrigerator for a little while to chill. And this will be our lunch, but you can have this as a side with any meal. We're gonna eat this for lunch. This will be the main course. But this is a great side dish, and it's filling without being overly heavy. And because it's cold, it's something that you can have on hot days and not feel like it's just too much. But anyway, let me put the lid on it. I'll get this in the fridge, and it's ready to go. If you want to see any other recipes that we put together here, whether it's vegetarian or from our pantry or from our garden, just let us know down in the comments below. If you've got a good salad dressing recipe, let us know how you do it, or maybe let us know that you have a video and we can always call that video out for you. But anyway, lunch is ready. Time to go. Like and subscribe. Let your friends know. Share the video if you think they'd like it. And I'll see you in the next video.